It's the first time in 40 years that I've ever been arrested.
And that's civil rights attorney Lee Merritt speaking out about his arrest a few hours after being released from Collin County Jail on Monday. Merritt and two women were arrested by McKinney Police on Sunday afternoon. They were charged with obstructing a highway as officers responded to reports of a group marching in protest along Highway 380.
At no point was I actually in the road until I let the officer know that I was leading the legal team and that I would advise the protesters that they were now being arrested. The only reason I entered the road at the permission of the officer was to tell the participants that arrests would be made, and then I became one of the arrests.
Merritt says he was among legal observers walking along the sidewalk and supporting the protesters. That group was marching to commemorate the second anniversary of the death of Marvin Scott III, a man who died while in custody at Collin County Jail in 2021. His family said Scott was strangled by a group of jail officers. Lachey Batts is the victim's sister, a protest organizer, and she was among those arrested on Sunday.
It's very disturbing, especially considering that they've escorted us in the past. More disturbing when I got there, officer asked me, was it worth it? I said, hell yeah, it was worth it.
A freelance photographer named Shelby Tauber was also arrested. In a statement, McKinney Police said officers gave the group of about 20 protesters 10 minutes of warnings and made arrests for failing to follow lawful orders to leave the roadway. Marvin Scott III's family and supporters say they won't let the arrest become a distraction as they continue protesting for justice. The family has filed a civil lawsuit against the officers involved in the man's death.
To be clear, the McKinney PD is sending a bad signal to the McKinney community. It's a Sixth Amendment violation. Everyone has a right to counsel, and that counsel shouldn't be criminalized for showing up to support.
In McKinney, I'm Damon Fernandez.